Hello and welcome, everybody. Today we're going to have a discussion about worries. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, so do not worry. One of the things Yeshua told us when he was here on earth was that we should not worry because our worry is not going to produce much. Now, the focus is on worry. And the part that Yeshua showed or explained was he says no man can serve two masters because you're either going to hate the one and love the one or you're going to despise the one. It's difficult to serve two masters. And for me, the picture that I saw was it is as if there's two plans. The one is your own plan for your life that you've got for yourself, and the other one is the plan that Yeshua has got for your life. Now, if you are on the path which Yeshua laid out for you, it is good because then the two is one and the same. But if it's different, then it becomes difficulty because part of the equation is worry. Then you're going to have to worry about things because you are focusing and doing it on your own strength. So I want to read you in Matthew. It's in Matthew 25 where it says, "Therefore, I tell you, do not worry about your life, what you will eat or what you will drink, or about your body, what you will wear. Is not life more than food, and the body more than clothes? Look at the birds of the air. They do not sow nor reap or store away in barns, and yet our Heavenly Father feeds them. Are you not much more valuable than they? Can any one of you, by worrying, add a single hour to their life?" So I want you to look at it. It's in Matthew 6:25. So if we just look at that, it makes it so much clear that even the birds of the air, they are pre-programmed to do things. Yes, they've got. I don't think God micromanages them, but I believe that they've got instinct. They do what they do because that's what they're created for. Yet they don't concern. There's provision for them because they are on the plan that the Lord has created for them. Now, if you deviate from the plan that the Lord has created for you, certain things, let's say suddenly a bird wants to be a cat, that's not going to work out for him because cats don't have wings. Cats don't have, well, cat eat birds. Birds don't eat cats. Well, depends on maybe bigger birds like an eagle and falcons and that they can eat cats. But primarily that is not their meal. So if you look at what Yeshua planned out for them, is that they are birds. They've got each one has got their own sound. Each type has got their own sound. And that's so beautiful to listen to the birds when you hear the birds because they are unique in their type. But lots of them make the same sound. That is what they created to do. We are created to, number one, to worship the Lord. That is a very important part, to worship the Lord. But also to, I believe, a big part of this earth is to build our character so that when we are in heaven, we are already grown in a lot of aspects of life. But that's a video for another time. So when we worry, our focus becomes on our ability. Our focus does not remain on what is created for us. Now, if you know where you're going to go and there's a road there, the road is easy, meaning there is a road. There's provision. You can drive on that road. But as soon as you say, I'm going to go through the bushes and I'm going to go there my own way, even though you believe the destination is the same, your journey is definitely not going to be the same. There's going to be a lot more difficulty in that journey. The scenery may be a bit more beautiful, but I think the difficulty level is going to be tremendously increased. So I want you to see the picture that I'm painting today of two masters. Which one are you going to serve? And the one is going to come that is not focused on your plan. The other one is going to be focused on what were you created for. Now, everything in my life, my body, my language, my everything is being created for a purpose. It's got a purpose. It is not by accident where I live, where I stay, who is my family. Nothing of that is by accident or by chance. I believe it's destined, it's planned out, and the Lord knows who to put where for the right path. Yes, there's things in our life that can happen that was not planned. Other people, I can influence other people's lives negatively as well, which is not part of the plan. But that is why if I stay on the plan that I was created for, I'm not going to do things that the Lord did not plan I do to other people, especially to harm them. So, where are you at today? Are you serving yourself or are you serving the Lord? If you're serving the Lord, cast your cares upon Him. Don't focus on your worries. Focus on what is He wants you to do, and you just do it. The outcome is based on Him. So quiet yourself down. Don't stress. Stress actually takes away of your life. It does not add to your life. I know it sounds easy to say do not stress, but I want you to change your focus. If you're battling with stress today, change your focus. Change that the Lord can do exceedingly abundantly above all you can ever think, ask, or imagine, rather than what is your ability. Father, I lay my abilities down today and I take up your provision. I thank you for caring for me, and I thank you that even when we sinned, when we transgressed, the provision is already there. Yeshua paid the price so that we can be free. I thank you that you thought of everything. Help me to trust you, to rely on you. I thank you for your great mercy, and I thank you for your love today. In the name of Yeshua, be blessed.